sound effect. What? More like fuck effect. Oh my god, this person sucks. This person making noise while I'm playing video game. He also caught me playing video games in my room. Then he take my phone away. And last, it's a rip-off to YouTube. I hope this person will die soon. Do you know if you like this person? Sound effects fans. They like to hang out. But they can't because he's still grounded. And do you know who hate this person? Me. I wish I can kill him with a knife. So sound effects sucks, and screw YouTube. Jacking off videos is way better than sound effects. End of rant. You made a revived video out of YouTube. Ho 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 ho. That's it. Ethan Mayia. Today is punishment day. First punishment, forcing you to watch Wario and Waluigi. Yes, Mario and Luigi know the movie. No 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 no. This person